Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to skip the Microsoft sign-in setup without the Microsoft account in Windows. Of course, there is a lot of things that you can do, there's a lot of options that you can do, but most of them are not working anymore, like disconnection from internet, try the sign-in options trick, enter local account, and after setup and stuff like that. Most of these options doesn't work anymore. So once you set up your account, or once you are setting up your Windows, so the first thing that you find, how would you like to set up this device? Set up for personal use, set up for work and school before entering any account. All you need to do is just type on your keyboard the Shift key plus F10. If nothing opens for you, you will have to go and type Fn or Shift Fn F10. So this should open something like that, which is, as an example, it will not open command prompts, but it will open something like that, terminal. So there you'll have to type the following. So you have just to type that. You'll have to type start space ms dash 6h, then a column, and then you will have to type local only. Once you do so and hit enter, they'll open a new pop-out, and you will find it, a Microsoft account pop-out. And basically this pop-out will be a local account. So you don't have to connect to the internet. You don't have to do a lot of the annoying stuff on Windows. So they will not force you to add the code and a lot of other stuff. So what you'll have to do is simply add a username from your PC, and they'll ask you to enter a password, but you don't have to because it's the old way. This will take you to the old way where you can leave an example the password empty if you don't want to have a password on your PC. Once you click on next, then the PC will do like a quick restart. It will not fully restart, but a quick restart. Then you'll have to keep click on next and choose the private settings and everything, and you should be good to go. So this is what you'll have to type after typing F or Shift F10 or Shift Fn F10. Fn F10, because this the only option that will open in basically the terminal, and you'll have to type start mssh local only. So you'll no longer be forced to sign in into a Microsoft account. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.